Ang Evo AI, samahan kami ng mga entrepreneur and nagbi-build tayo sa community ng mga first time mag-business na wala masyadong skills, wala pang malaking kapital, at thoroughly gusto nilang kumita pero hindi alam kung paano. And nagsa-start yung ating community to train individual and leaders para mapalago yung business through dropshipping system. And yun, we're growing now. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, even abroad. So see you here.
Evo AI is a community of entrepreneurs that aims to empower aspiring individuals to maximize their profit in the dropshipping industry with the strong system and the power of AI. So, kahit sino ka man na walang alam sa pagbibusiness, kahit anumang background mo, anumang status mo sa buhay, you're very, very welcome sa community na to. And we don't care where you come from or ano talagang pinanggalingan mo. But what we like to know is, do you really want to excel in life? Because yung community na to, it really give chances to people no matter who you are. At the same time, anong sitwasyon mo or educational background mo, nagkakaroon kasi ng chances dito ang mas maraming tao. As they always say it, di ba, the next frontier of humankind is a community. So, sa panahon natin yan, it's really necessary to be part of a community that nurtures you, empowers you. Because kung sa panahon natin ngayon, hindi sapat ang pag-aaral lang, hindi sapat ang work lang. You need some place, you need a community that really somehow will help you to maximize your potential.
Evo AI kasi dito, madidiscover mo yung sarili mo, madiscover mo yung strength mo, bibigyan ka ng chance na ma-develop yung sarili mo paunti-unti, and isa sa mga pinaka talagang binabalikan kami because marami kasing tao sa labas, they are lonely or yung family malayo or they are alone in life. Ngayon, pag nangyayari, naging second family ng marami yung Evo AI, and may enjoy mo. Actually, yan, nandito din kami ngayon is the reason why is our community nandito sa Tanay, nagka-camping kami, kaya ganyan ang ating ilaw. So, yan, isa yan sa mga ini-enjoy talaga dito na we also want to have the balance in life, na work-life balance. And sa panahon ngayon talagang sobrang daming stress, magulo. So we find time para mag-grounding, makapag-isip, makapag-detox din sa social media. So yan, isa lang sa maraming may enjoy mo dito pag yung community kasama mo.
Bakit nga ba Evo AI? Sa panahon kasi ngayon, naniniwala ako hindi na tayo kayang i-sustain ng mga traditional way of living like education alone or employment alone. We need a community that will help us to really excel in life. And naniniwala ako through the gathering of these people, makakasama mo rito sa loob ng Evo AI, magkakaroon ka talaga ng chance na magkaroon ng ibang perspective sa buhay, magkakaroon ka ng chance na makita yung potential mo para magamit mo sa sarili mong kapakanan. And this community kasi really empowers individual, not just financially, of course, but syempre emotionally, spiritually, and physically. Kaya I believe, pag naging part ka ng napakagandang community nito, you're gonna really have an edge in life.
Hi, ako nga pala si Philip. Dati akong gamer, pero ngayon, isa na ako sa mga founder ng Evo AI. I used to build gaming community platforms, pero now, we are building a community ng mga entrepreneurs in the real world. We help people na mag-elevate sa dropshipping opportunity na ginagawa nila. We help people to strive and kumita ng malaki sa gantong business. So if you want a community na may sistema, na may step-by-step help at guidance, this is your chance.
Hi, ako si Peter from Southern Leyte. Maadjong gabi sa inyong tanan mga Bisaya kasi ako isa sad ka Bisaya. nung nakita ko to, yung Evo AI community, nung nagtatrabaho pa lang ako as a crew. Na kasi napansin ko sa trabaho ko, walang patutunguhan. Kaya sobrang laking pasalamat ko nung sinubukan ko ito. Kasi dito ko naranasan yung kinita ko ng isang buwan, dito isang linggo lang. Hanggang sa kumita ako ng 1 milyon at nabili ko yung simpleng sasakyan. Kaya kung ikaw, isa ka sa kagaya ko na naghangad ng tsansa na magbago yung buhay, baka isa to sa mga dasal mo. Welcome sa Evo AI.
Hi, I'm Jane Ignacio. I'm a former store supervisor and I've been working for 5 long years and yes, I'm earning quite okay naman pero parang may kulang. Parang walang nangyayari, parang paulit-ulit na lang until I met Evo AI community na kung saan natuto ulit akong mangarap. And now I finally found my time freedom in this community. And kahit papaano, nakukuha natin yung mga pangarap natin unti-unti. Yes, malayo pa pero malayo na. And today, I'm a living proof na it's never too late to start again. Kaya kung kagaya mo rin ako or pareho tayo na na-experience sa buhay, baka para ka rin dito. And let's go! Pagtulungan natin.
Hi, I'm Pau, and I'm a second-year medical student, and I took my pre-med and my master's in Ateneo de Manila University. So I am one of the top affiliates of Evo AI, and I lead the UBELT branch in Moraita. So why Evo AI? I mean, why not? This has become one of the greatest blessings that God has given me in order for me to learn to become an entrepreneur. He has led me to the right mentors and to the right people for us to be able to change lives, not only mine, but sa napakadaming tao in this community. Bilang doctor, I really just wanted to heal people. Gusto kong makatulong sa iba. But lo and behold, in Evo AI, nagpapagaling na rin tayo ng pangarap. See you here! Bye!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Mga pimapita sa Lakanalangon. Hi, I'm Baina. I'm from Cotabato City. Bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talaga magnegosyo. Nagkataon na malayo yung mga magulang ko sa akin, kaya hindi ako naturuan kung paano magnegosyo. Buti na lang, nakita ko ang Evo AI community na may strong system, support group, at powered by AI, natuturuan ka sa success journey mo. And now, malapit ko na pong ma-hit yung 1 million natin. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng safe space na community na tuturuan at susuportahan ka, this is your time. Tara sa Evo AI community.